Want to install Windows 11 on your PC in under 15 minutes? Whether you're upgrading or starting fresh, this video will guide you step by step with everything you need. No confusion, no fluff. Let's get started. First, make sure your PC is compatible. You'll need at least a 1 GHz 64-bit CPU with 2 or more cores, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot enabled. Go to Microsoft's official website and download the Media Creation Tool or the Windows 11 ISO. I recommend the Media Creation Tool. It's easier. Plug in a USB drive with at least 8 GB space. Open the tool, choose Create Installation Media, and follow the prompts. Once it's ready, safely eject the USB. Now restart your PC and enter the BIOS, usually by pressing Delete F2 or F12. Set your USB drive as the first boot option. Save and exit. Your PC will boot from the USB. Once Windows Setup loads, choose your language and click Install Now. If you don't have a product key, just skip it for now. Select your edition, then choose Custom Installation if you're doing a clean install. Pick your drive and let Windows begin installing. This part may take a while. After reboot, Windows 11 will ask for your region, Wi-Fi, and login details. You can sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local one. Set your preferences, and you're all set. And that's how you install the latest version of Windows 11. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and let me know in the comments how your install went. See you in the next one.